Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beautiful Arts and Graphics. Hope you all most well. Today our drawing I about how to draw a beautiful cat. Draw the head. Start by drawing a circle for the cat's head at the ears. On the top of the circle, draw two triangle shapes for the ears. You can make them a little curved on pointy depending on the cat's breed. Draw the face inside the circle. Draw two almond-shaped eyes and a small triangle for the nose right below the eyes. Draw a curved line down from the nose, then curved outward for the mouth. Draw the body below the head. Draw an oval shape for the body. It does not need to the perfect. You can make it a white, chubby, or lean depending on the type of cat. Add the leg. Draw for extending from the body for each leg. Use simple, straight or slightly curved line at small oval shape at the end of each leg for paws. Step 6. Draw the tail. At the back of the body, draw a long curved tail. It can be fluffy or sleek depending on the style you want. Step 5. Fine details. You can add any extra detail like furs, texture, spots, or stripe to make the cat look more unique. Don't forget to add pupils in the eyes. After this, you can erase any extra lines, outline the drawing, and color it in however you like. Let me know if you don't like more specific tips. If you would like to try a different style. Okay, so this is the video, and this is too easy and beautiful video. This is simple. This drawing too for 2 minutes, like 4 to 5 minutes. If your color choices white, black, brown. Please subscribe my channel, like my video, subscribe my channel, like my all videos, share my channel, comment my all videos. Okay, bye bye.